Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So right now I'm just chilling on the couch. I just came from the grocery store from doing some Christmas shopping, and I spent like, well, I think I spent a good 200 on decorations and stuff, because when Christmas come I like to go all out. If y'all know, like, I feel like that's my favorite holiday. That, and I like fall time too. So I'm basically going to be decorating tomorrow. I'm going to decorate the living room, put some stuff on the wall, and put my Christmas tree up too. So right now I am about to make some chicken fajitas. But before I do that, I'm about to clean up my kitchen. And I feel like this video is probably going to be choppy, because I'm also going to vlog, I think, all weekend too. So yeah, tomorrow, what I got planned for tomorrow? I'm gonna go to the grocery store to get some food and stuff, because I do need to go grocery shopping. And what else I need to do? Clean up. I say that a lot, like my house be dirty a lot. But I do got a toddler, she do be messing up a lot. So like when I be cleaning up, she be going right behind me and messing back up. I feel like I need to take a trip, y'all. Have y'all ever been like overwhelmed? Well, not overwhelmed. I'm not overwhelmed. I feel like burnout from work. But yeah, I need those trips like coming. I'm about to cook and stuff while I'm rambling. Let me do that, and I'm gonna record, and I'm gonna show y'all the outcome. So I am finally done with decorating. I'm so tired. Oh my god. These are the pillows. I need to get more pillows. So I got some green, red, and white pillows to go on my couch. And I had put some like stickers on the wall. I got my tree right here. And I put most of the ornaments like at the top because Nova was gonna try to reach for them. I did that. I don't know, let me see. I put like a candle on the table and these things, and a vase. I put a wreath up there with some star decorations. Let's see what else I did. I also put I decorated like the round. I tried to be creative and do something with this up there, so I did like some flowers, some golden red flowers, and I did like the teddy bears. I didn't know where else to put them, so I just put them right there. And that is pretty much it, guys. It took like 2 hours. I'm so hungry, oh my gosh. So that's what I think I'm about to go do. Get something to eat and just chill out or whatever. So yeah, I'ma see y'all when I'm gonna give y'all the next update whenever I'm doing something else, because actually it's gonna be tonight because I'm gonna be cooking again. So yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all and give y'all the next update then. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. I'm trying to put on my seatbelt. I'm about to go get Nova from school. I hope she's being good right now, not giving them people a hard time. I don't think she is. Yeah, so I feel like I want to cook broccoli, cheese, and rice. I want to try that. I really do. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna probably do with some baked fish or something like that. So yeah, I've really been in the mood of trying to like cook new dishes and stuff. I'm kind of tired of eating the same thing over and over. So yeah, that's what I feel like I'm about to do, and I'm gonna bring y'all to the store along with me. And yeah, I think that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. I have just got Nova. Let me turn that light off. I have just got Nova from daycare. She got her seatbelt on and everything. Y'all just can't see it. Okay, what else I have to say? I am so freaking happy. Like, y'all don't understand how happy I am. She took her school pictures, and I'm gonna show y'all. I could just freaking cry. I could just freaking cry right now because I am so happy. Like, she did a good job. She's literally smiling on her picture. I'll show y'all that when I get home, but first we about to go grocery shopping, get all of this stuff so I can get up out this traffic. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I'm gonna see y'all when I get home. Well, to the grocery store and then home. So I got Nova in the back of the basket. So now we about to get our food, and yeah. Right now I am now in the living room. Nova's in the room, and I'm about to get ready to cook. I'm just waiting on my rice to get done. But y'all wanna see my baby? She is just too freaking cute. I didn't even know, like, well, I know they probably made her smile and stuff, but I never got a good picture of her, you know, like taking pictures of her like this. So here is my baby's fall pictures. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all, look how freaking cute. She is just adorable. Don't nobody be in the comments talking about so her feet was so big. Her feet is not big. The shoes just look big in the picture, but yeah, your girl is about to cook, get her ready for school, and what else I'm about to do? Just chill, probably watch some movies, some vlogs of my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, that's on the agenda for tonight. Let me know of some favorite dishes that y'all like to make, because I really want to try some new dishes out. Like, I just want to try some new foods and stuff, because I find myself cooking the same thing. So I want something different, like some casseroles or some I'm really like a rice type of girl, so I like rice with a lot of stuff and like potatoes and stuff. So that's what I like. So let me know down in the comment section of what y'all favorite dish is. But until then, let's get started with this cooking. So that concludes this weekend's vlog. If you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to your girl channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.